Here we go. Dito po kami sa Avenues, Excite. Kasi bibili si... Yes. 34 KD. Kasi magbili si Subit ng cellphone. Kasi bago lang siya nakakuha ng kanyang resident ID. So, we need new cellphone. What's that name? Galaxy A16. It's nice. This is 34.9. You buy. How many GB? 5 megapixels.
4 GB 182.
No, last time it's 5 GB.
40 GB?
Do you have?
40 GB?
Yeah, 30.900. 40 KD. Samsung also. You check the...
That's a quality camera.
See? I don't know what is that. Introducing Dependo. Robotic? Robotic. Yeah, here we go.
I think I buy this one.
Yeah, I need this one also in my home.
Okay, I'll buy this one.
Yeah. So, dito po kami sa Avenues kasi magbili si Subit ng iPad at saka cellphone.